Why is it that some people seem to achieve their goals with ease while others struggle? What separates the winners from the rest? Well, the answer often lies in the realm of personal growth and motivation. These two elements are the driving forces behind any success story. They are the pillars that hold up the edifice of achievement. Personal growth is not just about acquiring new skills or knowledge, it's about evolving, about becoming a better version of ourselves. And motivation? It's the spark that ignites the fire of personal growth. It's the fuel that keeps us moving forward, that propels us toward our goals despite the obstacles we may encounter. But how do we keep this motivation alive? How do we ensure that our personal growth journey doesn't come to a standstill? In the next few minutes, we will delve into the world of top athletes and learn how they stay motivated in their journey. Consider Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time. What's his secret? The answer is simpler than you might think. It's not just a question of talent and opportunity, but a testament to the power of consistency. Michael Phelps's story is nothing short of inspiring. Born and raised in Baltimore, Maryland, Phelps started swimming at the age of 7. But he didn't become the world's most renowned swimmer overnight. It took years of consistent, dedicated practice and training. This is a man who for 5 years straight didn't take a single day off from training. Not on birthdays, not on holidays, not even on Christmas. Imagine that level of commitment. It's not about going all in for a few days or weeks, but about showing up, day in and day out, no matter what. And it was this consistency that saw Phelps break record after record. By the time he retired, he had won a staggering 23 Olympic gold medals, 3 silver and 2 bronze. That's 28 Olympic medals in total, more than any other athlete in history. But Phelps's story isn't just about his accomplishments. It's about the journey. It's about the countless early mornings and late nights spent in the pool, the million laps swum, the rigorous training routines, the sacrifices made. It's about the power of consistency in action. Phelps himself has said, "I think goals should never be easy. They should force you to work, even if they are uncomfortable at the time." It's this mindset, this commitment to consistency, that propelled him to greatness. So what can we learn from Michael Phelps? It's not about being perfect. It's not about being the fastest or the strongest. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up every single day and doing the work. It's about setting goals, no matter how lofty, and working towards them, step by step, day by day. Phelps's story teaches us the power of consistency. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Now let's turn to Simone Biles, an exceptional gymnast. How did she manage to stay motivated amidst challenges? Simone Biles, a name that has become synonymous with strength and resilience, has shown us that challenges are not stumbling blocks. Instead, they are the very stepping stones that lead us to our success. Her journey is a testament to the power of embracing difficulties and using them as fuel to propel oneself forward. Born to a mother battling addiction, Biles's early years were marked by uncertainty and hardship. Even as a young child, she possessed an unyielding spirit, a willingness to strive, to reach beyond her circumstances. This spirit was evident when she discovered gymnastics at the tender age of 6. She found in the sport not just a hobby, but a lifeline, a way to channel her energy and ambition. However, her journey was not without its trials. Biles faced challenges that would have deterred many, from the rigors of intensive training to the pressures of competing at the highest level. She was constantly tested, yet she did not let these challenges deter her. Instead, she embraced them, using them as stepping stones to propel her towards her dreams. One of the most significant challenges Biles faced was during the Tokyo Olympics. In a move that shocked the world, she withdrew from several events, citing mental health concerns. This decision was met with a storm of criticism, but Biles stood strong, prioritizing her well-being over medals and accolades. She showed us that it's okay to step back, to take care of ourselves, even when the world is watching and expectations are high. Her courage in the face of adversity, her resilience in the midst of trials, serves as a powerful lesson for us all. It teaches us that challenges are not roadblocks on our path to success. Instead, they are opportunities for growth, for learning, for becoming stronger and more resilient. Biles' journey underscores the importance of embracing challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to our success. What about Usain Bolt, the fastest man on Earth? What kept him motivated? From the rural landscape of Trelawney, Jamaica, emerged a man whose name would become synonymous with speed. Usain Bolt, a man whose passion for running would propel him to become an 8-time Olympic gold medalist, shattering world records and redefining the parameters of human capability. Bolt was not born a champion, he was made one. His journey began with a singular passion for running. It was this passion that would wake him before dawn, driving him to train relentlessly, day in and day out. He had a vision, a desire to be the best, and he was willing to push his body to its limits to achieve it. But passion alone does not bring success. Passion is the catalyst that sparks the flame, but it's the dedication, the commitment, and the hard work that keep the fire burning. Bolt understood this. He knew that his love for running had to be matched with the discipline to train, the resilience to endure, and the courage to compete. And compete he did. Bolt raced against the world's best, and time and again he emerged victorious. His passion for the sport was evident in every stride, every breath, every heartbeat. He ran not just to win, but because he loved the thrill of the race, the rush of adrenaline, the satisfaction of crossing the finish line first. Bolt's story is not just about winning, it's about the role of passion in personal growth. Passion is the fuel that drives us to reach for our dreams, to strive for excellence, to persevere in the face of adversity. Passion is what gives our efforts meaning, transforming hard work into a labor of love. Bolt's story is a testament to the power of passion. It's a reminder that when we pursue what we love, we can achieve greatness. We can overcome obstacles, break barriers, and redefine the limits of what's possible. Bolt's story reminds us that passion is a powerful motivator. When you love what you do, motivation comes naturally. So, what can we learn from these athletes' stories about staying motivated in our personal growth journey? Just like Michael Phelps, we can understand the power of consistency. It's not about the occasional burst of effort, but the daily grind, the relentless pursuit of improvement that truly counts. Simone Biles teaches us the importance of embracing challenges. Don't shy away from the difficult tasks. Instead, see them as opportunities to grow, to become stronger, and to prove to ourselves that we are capable of more than we ever thought possible. And then there's Usain Bolt. His story underscores the role of passion. Love what you do, and you'll never work a day in your life. Passion is the fuel that keeps us going, even when the road gets tough. These are not just lessons for athletes, but for all of us. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. Stay motivated, keep growing, and you will achieve your goals. just like these top athletes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. This is Philip Hegarty for Hegar's Corner.